Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix watchlist not syncing between devices on TradingView. If your watchlist isn't showing up in your phone and other devices, don't worry, it's usually a simple account or sync issue. Here's a step-by-step fix. First of all, make sure you're logged in with the same TradingView account on all devices. This is the number one cause of syncing problems. Double checking your login method. For example, if you've signed up with Apple ID, make sure you're not accidentally logging in with email or on another device. Next, what you're gonna do is check your internet connection and then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile network to make sure it is not an internet connection or weak connection. Watchlist syncing depends on a stable connection to TradingView's cloud servers. After that, what you're gonna do is on your iPhone, open the TradingView, go to the Watchlist tab and then pull down to refresh. This forces the app to fetch the latest cloud data. Now swipe up from the bottom, find TradingView and swipe it away. Do this on both iPhone and try any other devices like iPad, desktop. Then reopen the app to trigger a clean sync. Next, go ahead and open your app store, search for TradingView and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, update your app, and if it's open like mine, then that means your account is already updated to the newest or latest version. Now in the last, what you're gonna do is on all devices, log out of your TradingView's account, then log back in using the same login method. This resets your session and forces the system to reload your data, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.